Hey y'all, it's me Omi, and today's vlog is a little bit longer because it is actually 3 vlogs put together in one big vlog. But anyways, we started this day off with a Wisconsin duck tour. Now this tour is basically a boat tour, but it travels on land and in water. So we started off on land, and then we went into the water, and then we went on land again, then we went in the water again, and then we ended on land. But you guys will see that later in the video.
I cannot breathe in this.
I know.
Do too much.
About to go on a tour. You excited?
Ew, you so ugly.
As I told you guys before, we are starting off on land, so here we are just going through the woods, getting a nice view of nature. Our tour guide was excellent. I forgot his name, please forgive me, sir, but he knew all his information like the back of his hand. He was quick with the corny crunchy jokes. Y'all know tour guides gotta give y'all that authentic crunchy joke every 2 seconds, but he was on it, he was on top. But as you will see in the clip coming up, we are actually going to enter the water, so please enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I present to you the Pacific Ocean. It's a lot smaller in person, isn't it, folks? Now it may get a little bit bumpy entering into the Pacific Ocean today. So on the one hand, go ahead and grab that seat in front of you. And with your other, plug your nose.
You think I'm playing? I'm grabbing my seat now.
Yep, definitely watch for those alligators. And just like that, we are a boat afloat the Wisconsin River. I have just disengaged the wheels. If you look on either side of the duck tank, you'll see them sinking down to the bottom.
As stated at the beginning of the video, we did start on land and then we went into the water and then we went back on land again. And these transitions from land to water were actually very seamless and very quick, and they were not like uncomfortable at all. You know, some things you got all this jolting and jumping around and stuff. Not with this stuff. It was very calm, easy. He let us know when we would be going back on land, when we were going into water and all that, and it was very fun.
I thought he was playing.
I wasn't kidding about that title. It was on that day.
I thought he was playing.
Yeah. Now just remember, folks, if you didn't get out there, this is artificial lake dome, which means it's artificial water, so you're not even wet.
Oh yeah, they did. Hey, Zachy. What was that for you? Pull it. Let's pull it.
Okay.
Go ahead, Jeff. Pull it. Yes, sir.
Do it now. Try.
Do it now.
Go, Zacchaeus.
Exactly.
Yeah. Get it, Zacchaeus. Go. Pull it. Yeah. Woo!
Get up. Get that license.
It's already recorded.
Okay.
Show me.
Giraffe pull it with ease.
And I was like,
Let me try it. You got it, Deb.
woo, go, Deb.
You got it.
Move, Tommy.
There you go. Oh.
Dang. Woo.
Okay.
I'm going again.
Oh my gosh.
Josh trying to pull it with ease. And now struggle.
As you guys could see at the beginning of this clip, we are here at the Tommy Bartlett Exploratory Museum. This was an interactive science museum. Now, don't be fooled by the name. Although it has science in it, this museum was super, super fun. Every exhibit had something to do with science, and it was just so fun that we were able to play around and just have fun in the museum. Now, don't worry, we were super safe and made sure we washed our hands and sanitized them after we were done with every exhibit and after we were done touching everything. And we made sure to keep our mask on as we were in the exhibits. The museum was also super on it as well with COVID and making sure that everyone washed their hands and that only a certain amount of people were allowed in each exhibit.
Like that.
Look at him.
Yes, sir.
Come on, yes, sir, but you got your eyes closed.
You got a few more petals left? Got a few more? Yeah.
I guess, yeah.
You wanna try no hands?
Go no hands, Josh.
Yes, it's so scared.
Go no hands, bro.
That's why you can't even do it.
Okay.
Quiet.
This guy. This guy.
Snoop Dogg, yeah, dog.
Go back. A little bit more. Nice, crazy. You wanna try no hands?
So special.
It get heavier. Tell us some.
All right, got about 5 feet, 4 feet, 3 feet, 2 feet, bail. No hands?
No hands, Desi.
It's all right. It'll catch you. I promise. Definitely not gonna fall. All of them. Good
I
job.
know he ain't talking. He stopped halfway through.
Okay. What? You ever play that defense?
Look at
Lost already.
Come on. What the ball at your head?
Back him up. Back him up. Back him up. Post move.
How you been?
That's that defense.
You got it back.
Stop it, this boy.
Wow.
Oh, dang. It's like he's you in the
Like
TV,
he's
bro.
moved.
How's that the TV?
Ooh,
Hey, you shot it.
Tell me more.
Cookies. Hands up.
Oh! Intimidated. All right, intimidated.
Come on. Back him up. Back him up.
What?
I made it.
No.
What's I get? You ain't get top 10. Wait, I can't I already feel my hair freezing off.
You gotta hold on to both of them.
I know.
But
Grab it. Grab
Says
the
the
other
button
one.
flash is supposed to.
okay. Come on. Hold it.
Can you feel it?
Doing that?
No, wait. It's charging up.
Can you feel it? It's still going?
Yes, it's going. Oh my god.
It's still going?
It gets harder every time. Okay, I can't do it. Oh my god. Bruh.
Watch out,
It don't hurt.
Tommy, watch out.
You gotta push the button, Josh.
Dang.
Hold on as long as you can.
It was like 4. No, 4. He gets harder. Yeah, I'm good for this. Oh, tie me up. Yeah, how's the one that stopped that? Oh, yes, sir. This is my energy, bro. Yes, sir. Yeah, I beat the game. What? I beat the game. Does it hurt? Does it hurt?
You gotta hold on for as long as you can.
Oh my god! Ah, bro. Josh, get all over the floor. Oh my god.
Look at the feet.
That's a teaser. You weak, bro. You weak.
So in this clip, you can see all of us, except for my aunt. She's the one recording. We're inside like this little spaceship. So we had just went through like this outer space astronaut exhibit, right? So we see this big spaceship ride and we're like, cool. We look at the price, it's only $1. We're like, okay, cool, let's ride it. Maybe it'll be fun. We're thinking it's gonna be like a cool 3D ride. They said 4D, but chill. Anyways, we get on this ride and it's actually nothing to do with outer space. It's actually just a rat race, like literally rats and cars running through a kitchen. As you can tell by the looks on our face, this ride was a complete waste of time and it was just a mess.
I'm so excited. Oh my god.
So also on this day, me and my dad decided to go down to the indoor theme park and play some of the arcade games there. This was just a super fun bonding time with my dad. We had so much fun. We won a bunch of tickets, as you guys will see later. We shared some good laughs and just had a good time. I really enjoyed spending this time with my dad.
fireworks, waiting for them to go
my
off.
glasses on.
Okay, what about it?
Dang,
It's
girl.
glasses. I will punch you. It's glasses, dummy.
Yeah. Ooh, them
It's
glasses.
glasses. It's glasses.
No,
Being
not these
extra,
glasses.
girl.
They
They're
stole-
glasses.
They stole the ones that look good on me.
Girl, they look the same.
They don't.
Yes, they
The
do.
other ones was silver.
No,
And they came down.
they look
Huh.
exactly.
It's okay.
No. What?
It's wet. But my glasses are silver and they came down.
Anyway,
These are red.
this is where we was going.
I'm sure they'll Hello, little buddy. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. After all, crocodile.
If you made it this far into the vlog, thank you so much for sticking around. I know there was a lot that we did in this vlog, so I appreciate you sticking around. This is part 3 of the vlog where we went to the zoo. Now, this zoo was very small and very intimate. There weren't a lot of animals there, but there were a pretty decent amount of animals. Now, we usually always come to the zoo when we go to Wisconsin Dells because it's a part of the Kalahari package that we get. This zoo is kind of fun and kind of sad as well, though. It's pretty hot in Wisconsin Dells in the summertime, and so you can really tell that some of the animals are just struggling and going through it. So sometimes when we go to this zoo, I just get very sad because I feel so bad for those animals. Although there are some of them that do have a little perk to them and are excited to see people, but I think it's just because they want to get fed by us. But any glimmer of hope and happiness that I see at this zoo makes me happy. We did get to go to this new exhibit that they had where we got to feed kangaroos, which you guys will see in the next clip.
They have watched when good animals attack. That's blocking the view. Scared to touch.
Huh? Excuse me.
Don't touch the face.
Dang! Don't do that.
Go ahead. Feed him. It's just hungry, that's all.
Aww.
Okay. You gonna feed him?
Yeah. Anyway, they're just gonna look cute. Ah. I'm more. I don't trust you.
Yo, come here, dog.
Y'all calm down.
Scary self.
You dropping it, bro.
You dropping it. Scary.
Come on, bro.
Just hold it, Josh.
He reaching it.
Dang.
Remember the last time you Bro, I know you didn't just sneeze on me.
This time I want carrot. Mom, they keep fighting.
Keep your hands
Stop
off your face.
fighting.
You understand? Come on.
Josh,
Naomi.
why are you so scary? It's just carrots.
Keep your hand off your face.
I don't have anything. Good camel, good camel. Good camel. Don't try to pick one.
That's it.
Good. Yummy, right? Yum.
Tell me about it.
Don't touch your face. Don't touch your face.
On that rail for y'all to eat. Wait a minute. Hold on, Joe.
They following you too.
So he licked my whole hand.
Ugh.
Disgust. What's up? What's up?
Wait too.
What's up? Put that right there for you. There we go. Yeah. That's what we gonna do. I'm gonna put that one right there for somebody else. Yeah, that's what we gonna do. And I'm starting to pray for you right there. Look. There you go. Either way.
He like, where mine at?
I'm disgusted.
This indeed, in fact, is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much if you made it to the end. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this vlog. And it was a little bit lengthier than all the other vlogs, so I really appreciate you if you made it to the end. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you guys want to see. This is the end of the Wisconsin Dells trilogy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.